Your wager task presentations will take place on Thursday nights in the arena. This means upon receiving your wager brief, sorry guys, I'm out of breath. Wait, can you guys not hear the English, or you guys, or am I talking too fast? Okay, who's talking, so, who can talk in Nigerian? Actually, no. Slow down. Okay, I'll be slow. You need to speak in Yoruba for you guys to
explain what she read.
Oh, she was explaining.
Yes, I was about to.
She was summarizing. Okay, I'll speak slowly for you guys. Welcome once again to the Big Brother house. No. At the first night, often become the challenges for housemates to get acquaintance. What do you guys not understand about English? Well, guess what? I'm the one who needs to read it. Okay, I'll speak slowly for you guys, because clearly you guys are dyslexic or something. I will speak slowly. I'll speak slowly. But guess what? They said I should do it.
She's going to read.
Like, what's wrong with you? What is so hard about understanding English? Can you sit down and let me talk? Exactly, that's it. So why is he still talking?
Read it. Why you guys
Probably was. Like, sit down. There's no way that you guys do not understand English like this. Are you guys children? Hello. Stop talking. Hello.